Good morning. You have discovered this morning a plethora of solution producing XBRL files. I'm going to show you a concrete use of taxonomy in a universal registration document. At first, I'm connecting on Pomdoc. I'm opening a document which could be your URD. As you know, Pomelo-Paradigm is leader on collaborative software of production of financial documents. Our tools produce over 100 documents each year in collaboration with design agency. Here is an example of documents. Pomdoc allows you to create nice-looking URD, allowing the formatting and the presentation of text, figure, picture, the visual identity standard of the company, and of course, the XBRL data. Now, we are going to see how to integrate the XBRL files into the document with a simple way and how to insert the tables with the figures already tagged in a document in preparation. So I go on property here. I have my file to be imported with my taxonomy zip. I take my zip and I drag and drop it in the area dedicated to XBRL. The system analyzes all the information which is contained inside the taxonomy, extracts a whole heap of information which are going to be used in a hidden way in the document to finally extract from it the tagged table. The file is checked and the application reports all the detected errors. We control the 160 points of the ESMA-HISEV conformance suite. So, after introducing the taxonomy into the document, we just need to take a place for the table inside the document. So I'm going back on the document. I search the good parts, the financial statements, the consolidation income statements. And now I open the insertions panel to check the table which were in the imported taxonomy. All the tables are arrived and ready to be imported. I position my cursor on the text on the appropriate line to import the table, and I'm going to add the table by a simple click. Now, I'm setting the formatting of the table to have a nice presentation. For example, here I will just define the size of my cell. And then I will present my table in double column. And here on my table, I have footnotes. And now I can add some highlight line to the result line. And now the table is ready. you just need to setting one time this formatting, because for the next update of the taxonomy, the formatting is kept. To check the tag on the figure, you just apply display the data in the text, and here you can see all the column for the year here already tagged, and you can see the link of the table here. The table is linked with CDR, and if I go on my data, I can see the name of the concept that will be linked. And now my tables are not finished because I needed to add in all the tag on the column for this year. So while on the production of the taxonomy, you can update each time your table like that. You go on property, you import your XBRL file like that. You can check the error, the new error or the no error. And after, check inside the documents the modification. As you can see, on the next import, the column of the current year were not tagged, but now, with this new update, these columns are now tagged. And I have no need to apply again the formatting. Now, we're going to talk about the second part of the reglementation, the production of the XHTML. In fact, on Pomdoc is really easy because it's just an export format. So you can export the documents on PDF format, on Word format, or on XHTML format from a single sourcing document. I'm going to show you the results and show you all the tags inside the documents. Here you are, the documents, very nice looking, with all the presentation, with all the formatting that you need, with linked inside the documents. For more navigation, you can see all the picture from the documents, very great looking. And if I go on financial statement, you can see here your table imported. And if you want to check the tagging, you can see it, the tagging. You can use another reader of XBRL. Here I have a sample reader of XBRL text. So you can see all the text. Yeah. But we know when you will publish your documents at the last time, it's very often you need to change some elements, some figure, some text, some formatting of the text. So you can change it very easy because you have access on all the elements, on all the text inside on your document. For example, here I need to change here a figure. I need to change more here a figure, formatting with other color or fonts. Or if I need to change the formatting of all one text, here I'm on double column and I want to see it in triple column because it's more nice to see it. I can change it. And if I want to see the modifications, it's very easy to export it on HTML format. And now you can see all the modification with a good layout, the presentation. Here, changes figure 2, and here my text is formatting like I want. So it's very easy to change at the last minute everything. If I need to change picture or everything else, it's possible. And if I need to change the taxonomy, you have seen that's very easy because it's just a new update of your taxonomy file imported. So, and for the publishing, if you need to publish your documents for printing, you can export it to with a few formats of PDF, light format for your website, for example, or for just sending by email, or the format to the printer with a postmark, for example, here. And now you have your documents ready to be printed in PDF, because it is a single sourcing document, so it is the same documents, and it's possible to edit some link inside the document too. And you can add it to inside the document text, but you can add it to some table, easy like the insertion on XBRL, but you can insert to Excel file to have some table managed automatically by Excel. It's the case, for example, for the notes, because the notes needs to be updated very quickly, and all the table need to be very quickly updated. Okay, on this demo, we have shown how it's easy to import XBRL file and place the XBRL tables already tagged inside the documents. If you have never seen before Pomdoc, or how you can produce more efficiently all the rest of the documents, let me know by email when we can schedule a global overview of the advantage to use Pomdoc Pro on your production of documents. And if you have some question, don't hesitate to let us on the webinar and I will reply you as soon as it's possible to have your answer. So thank you so much for your attention. I'm very pleased to show you our application. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.